Hello students, how are you? We have discussed before about the word problems related to quadratic equation, and we have solved exercise 4.2 uh, till question number 4. Okay, so today we are going to solve the question number 5. In this sum, it is given that in a right angle triangle whose height is 7 centimeter less, whose height is 7 centimeter less from their base, and their hypotenuse is 30 centimeters, then find out the other side. In the question it is given that, students listen carefully, in this question it is given that this is the base, this is the height, and this is the hypotenuse. Height is 7 less, height is 7 less than base. So we can take, let base is equal to x meter, if no centimeter, then height will be how much? 7 less है, x1 is 7, height is 7 less than the base. Okay, therefore it will be x, and this will be how much? X minus 7, and it is given there as the 13. Okay, it is completely given that 13. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. Applying Pythagoras theorem, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Do you know about this? H square is equal to p square plus b square, or we can write as p square plus b square is equal to h square. This is also right. P perpendicular x minus 7 whole square plus x whole square is equal to how much? 13 square. Is it clear? Now x square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. First of all, x square minus 2 into this 14x plus 49 plus x square will be equal to 169. Okay? Yes. X square plus x square, we get 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. Okay? Then we get 2x square minus 14x. 169 minus 49, how much we get? Maybe 120. Okay. Is it clear? Now we can divide this equation by 2. How much we get? X square minus 7x minus 60. Okay. Do you understand about this? Okay. Now find the factor of 60 such that we get, by adding or subtracting we get 7. Then how can we perform 15 4s are 60? But we don't get 7. 12 5s are 60. Oh, we can get 7. How? 12 5s are 60, and also 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Either subtracting or adding, we have to obtain the middle number, middle term. Okay, so you can write as x square minus 12x, and after that plus 5x. Okay, correct. Now make two pairs. One pair, first two terms form one pair, and last two terms form two pair. Second pair. Okay. From first pair we can common as x. Okay, then we get inside the bracket x minus 12. Again, from these two terms we can outside the number 5, then we get x minus 12. X minus 12, x plus 5. Then x is equal to 12 from this, and x is equal to minus 5. But x is equal to minus 5 we cannot take. Why? because the side of a square, the side of any triangle will not be, should not be negative. So we can take, therefore base will be equal to 12 because we are letting it as x, and height will be how much? Height will be x minus 7, that means 12 minus 7, that means 5. Okay, so this will be answer. So in this way we can obtain the solution of this sum. Is it clear? Okay, clear. Now question number 6, the last of this exercise. What is given in the sum? In a factory, if you want to read the question, then you can take your book, open your book and read the question carefully, and then watch the video. Understand? Then you can understand easily the video, and you are able to solve the problem very easily. But first of all, you have to read the book, read the question from the exercise 4.2, question number 6. Okay, because if you solve the question directly, then you can not able to solve correctly. First of all, we have to understand the problem, then we can get the solution of the given problem easily. Otherwise we cannot find the solution of any problem. If you understand the problem correctly, then we can solve correctly the given problem, given question. Okay, in a form, poetry form. Okay, some poetry are formed, produced daily. Clear? Some daily. The cost of, and again it is given that the cost of each pot will be equal to number of pots obtained in a particular time. That means suppose the pottery firm produce 10 pots, then each, the cost of each pots will be 10 rupees. Suppose the pottery produce 15 pots each day. Okay, then each pot cost will be 15 rupees. Is it clear? Okay, but here it is given that uh, the cost of each pot is equal to number of pot produced 3 greater than twice the number of pots plus 3 greater. Okay, it is given that, so first of all let number of pots produced be x, then cost of each pot on a particular day will be equal to, it is given that twice the number of cost plus 3 is the cost of each pot. The cost of each pot will be equal to how much? Twice the uh, number of pot produced plus 3 also. It is given in the question that 3 more, twice the number of pots, then 2x plus 3. Suppose it is given that 15 pots can be produced each day, then cost will be 2 into 15 plus 3. Understand? That means we get 30 plus 3, that we get 33. Understand this type? Now by condition, now by the condition. Okay, what is given in the condition? That total cost is rupees 90. Total cost how much? 90. Then number of pots into each cost is equal to 90. When we multiply number of pots into each cost, then we get total cost. Is it clear? Okay, Suppose we have 15 kg potato, and 1 kg potato cost 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Then what will be the total cost? Number of kgs into each kg's cost. That is clear? Okay. X into 2x, 2x square plus x into 3, 3x is equal to 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 will be equal to 0. Okay. Now, negatives of 180, factor 180 and can get 3. Then how can we uh, 2 nines are 245, 315, 3551, 15, 26, 15, 12. 15 into 12, 15 into 12 we can get 90, and 15 minus 12 we can get 3. Okay, then we can write as plus 15x minus 12x. 2x will be common, then we get x plus 15, and minus 12 will be common, then we can get x minus plus 15. Okay, now x plus 15 into 2x minus 12, x is equal to minus 15, not 2x minus 12 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 12, then x will be 6. The number of pods produced be 6. Okay, and each cost will be 2x plus 3. 2 into 6 plus 3. 2 6 are 12 plus 3. That means 15 we get. And this way we can obtain the solution of each problem, each question. Okay. Now in the next video we will be going to study, we will study about the solution of quadratic equation by completing square method. Okay, so be patient about the next video, and we will come again tomorrow for the next video. Okay, धन्यवाद, मिलते हैं. Okay.